In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and free up space in your Google storage. We all know how it feels to receive those pesky notifications about hitting storage limits, so let's dive into how we can check where our storage is going and clean it up effectively. First, to get a comprehensive overview, begin by visiting Google One's storage page at one.google.com/storage. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown of your storage usage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This page serves as your one-stop overview of what's eating up your space. Spend a moment to look over this information. Understanding where your storage is being used is the first step towards managing it effectively. Now let's focus on Gmail. Over time, our inbox can accumulate many large emails that we no longer need. Open your Gmail and in the search bar at the top, type in has.attachment larger 10M. This search will filter out emails with attachments over 10 megabytes, making it easy to identify those that take up the most space. Browse through the results, select any emails you feel are unnecessary, and click delete. Don't forget that deleted emails sit in the trash for 30 days before being removed. To immediately free up storage, go ahead and empty your trash. Next, let's tackle Google Drive. Open Google Drive, and on the left sidebar, click on Storage. This handy feature allows you to sort your files by size. You'll likely encounter some large files that you no longer need, or perhaps can move to a local drive. Carefully review these files and either delete those you no longer use, or download them to avoid losing them while freeing up some cloud space. Moving on to Google Photos, open your app or website and start going through your photos and videos. I'm sure you'll find several duplicates or photos you no longer need. Go ahead and delete these unwanted photos. Crucially, remember to empty the trash, otherwise they will still be taking up space. To optimize your storage further, consider converting your photos and videos to storage saver quality, which reduces the size without a significant loss in quality. Our final step involves using the Google One Storage Manager. Navigate to one.google.com/storage/management. This fantastic tool provides insights into emails with large attachments, hefty drive files, and even highlights duplicates. It's a streamlined way to clear out space quickly and efficiently. Deleting the items you find here can help you recover significant amounts of storage space immediately. By following these steps, you're on your way to better managing your Google storage and ensuring you have plenty of space for the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful.